Half the year has passed. What have you achieved? Don't you dare click off this video. Your attention span has fried from shorts and reels, but this could be the most important video you watch all year. Let's dive into the 5 ways to make the biggest comeback of your life. Number 1. Reevaluate your goals. Take a hard look at your goals. Are they realistic? Are they still aligned with your values? Reevaluating your goals is a crucial step in personal growth and achievement. It involves conducting a thorough examination of the goals you've set for yourself. Begin by assessing their realism and feasibility in your current circumstances. Goals that were once attainable may need adjustments as your priorities and capabilities evolve. Equally important is ensuring that these goals still align with your values and long-term aspirations. Sometimes, recalibrating your goals is necessary to stay true to your personal values and aspirations. This process isn't about abandoning your ambitions, but rather refining them to better reflect your current situation and ambitions. Set clear, actionable milestones that serve as stepping stones toward your ultimate objectives. Number 2. Develop a routine. Developing a routine is essential for maintaining consistency and achieving your goals effectively. By establishing a daily schedule that prioritizes your objectives, you create a structured framework within which to operate. Start by breaking down your larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This approach not only makes daunting tasks more approachable, but also allows you to focus on one task at a time, ensuring that each step contributes to your overall progress. A disciplined routine instills habits that support productivity and efficiency, as you become accustomed to allocating specific time blocks for important activities. This consistency reduces the likelihood of procrastination and helps you stay on track toward achieving your goals. Number 3. Embrace failure. Embracing failure is a crucial mindset shift on the path to success. Instead of viewing failure as a final outcome, see it as a valuable learning experience. When setbacks occur, take the time to analyze what went wrong without dwelling on blame or disappointment. Understanding the root causes of failure provides insights into areas needing improvement. By identifying these lessons, you can adapt your approach, refine strategies, and enhance your skills for future endeavors. Each setback becomes a stepping stone toward success, as you integrate newfound knowledge and resilience into your journey. Number 4. Surround yourself with positivity. Surrounding yourself with positivity is essential for fostering a successful comeback. The people and environment you engage with significantly impact your mindset and motivation. Seek out individuals who believe in your abilities and genuinely want to see you succeed. Their encouragement and support can uplift your spirits during challenging times and reinforce your determination to achieve your goals. Conversely, minimize exposure to negative influences that undermine your confidence or distract you from your objectives. Creating a positive environment also involves cultivating habits and routines that promote optimism and growth. Number 5. Take care of your health. Taking care of your health is crucial for ensuring a successful comeback. Both your physical and mental well-being serve as the cornerstone of your resilience and ability to bounce back from setbacks. Engaging in regular exercise not only strengthens your body, but also boosts your mood and energy levels, enhancing your overall productivity and motivation. Moreover, prioritizing your mental health is essential. Practices like mindfulness or meditation can help reduce stress, increase self-awareness, and promote emotional stability. These techniques enable you to stay centered amidst challenges and maintain a positive outlook on your comeback journey. By integrating these habits into your daily routine, you create a solid foundation of health and well-being that empowers you to tackle obstacles with clarity, resilience, and determination. Making a comeback requires resilience and persistence. Stay disciplined in pursuing your goals, remain focused on your path, and always remember that it's never too late to change your trajectory. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and strategies to help you achieve your goals. Until next time.